Welcome viewers to my channel Gyanipidiya 2.0. In this video I will discuss about water pollution. What is water pollution? What are the sources of water pollution? What are the types of water pollution? And what are the effects of water pollution on environment and human body? We all know that massive urbanization and development not only lead towards advanced lifestyle, but it has negative effects on environment also. Today, water pollution is one of the biggest threat to biodiversity due to such developments. Water is an essential component for life's existence on Earth's surface. It need not to be spelled out exactly how important it is. Yet today water pollution is one of the most serious ecological threats we face. What is water? Water is a compound substance composed of two chemical elements, mainly hydrogen and oxygen. It can exist in three different forms: solid, liquid and gas. There are different sources of water we know: river water, ocean water, rainwater, groundwater, lake water and mountain streams. There are two different forms of water: salt water and fresh water. The salt water consists of 97% of total water resources and the fresh water is only consist of 3%. What is water pollution? Water pollution can be defined as the contamination of undesirable substances which alter the physical, chemical, biological properties of water and causes harmful effects to human body. What are the characteristics of polluted water? Mostly color changes, blackish and greyish, bad odor of organic and inorganic waste products, presence of particulate matters like heavy metals, presence of chemicals, pesticide, fertilizer, industrial discharge, lower oxygen level and unfit for drinking. Now the types of water pollution. According to the different sources of water reservoirs, water pollution can be divided into two categories: surface water pollution and underground water pollution. Sources of water pollution. There can be divided into two different categories: point source of water pollution and non-point source of water pollution. When pollutants are come from a single pointed source, then it is called point source of water pollution. Example: factory, sewage treatment plant, drainage system. When water pollutants are came from different unidentified sources, then it is called non-point source of water pollution, like agricultural field, pet waste, domestic discharge. In case of broad-scale classification of water pollution sources, these are as follows: domestic effluents, agricultural effluents, industrial effluents, hot water discharge from thermal power plant, accidental oil spills and sewage leakage. The domestic effluents are mostly consist of organic matter like food residue, human and animal excreta, detergents, liquid chemicals, plastic and electrical waste. The agricultural effluents are mostly consist of fertilizer, pesticide, cattle extracts and crop waste. The industrial effluents are mostly consist of heavy metals like mercury, lead, arsenic, chemical and particulate matter discharges, inorganic pollutants like acids and alkalines, and organic pollutants, cellulose, fiber and proteins, etc. Another notable source of water pollution is the hot water discharges by the thermal power plant and nuclear power plants. Oil spills or release of liquid petroleum into the water bodies, accidental discharge of oil into the water bodies is also considered as water pollution. The most significant source of water pollution is the discharge of sewage. Now the effects of water pollution. The effects of water pollution can be divided into two different categories according to its occurrence. The first one is environmental impact of water pollution and next one is effect in human beings of water pollution. The major effect of environmental impact of water pollution are as follows: destruction of aquatic environment, eutrophication or nutrient pollution in the water bodies, deoxygenating of the water bodies, and decreased photosynthesis rate of the aquatic plants. Eutrophication is the process in which a water body becomes overly enriched with nutrients, leading to the plentiful growth of simple plants' life. The excessive growth of algae and plankton in a water body is an indicator of this process known as algal bloom. Eutrophic water can eventually become dead zones that are incapable of supporting life. Some common waterborne diseases in human beings are as follows: typhoid fever, cholera, giardia, dysentery, hepatitis A, salmonella. How does the water pollution can be controlled? The water pollution can be reduced by the following ways: reduce use of chemicals in detergents, use of organic fertilizer and pesticides in agricultural field, stop hot water discharge from thermal power plants and nuclear power plants, proper treatment of the sewage water, and focus on recyclable use of water. There are also few different ways to reduce water pollution are as follows: do not dispose of oil in the sinks, handle of toxic chemicals properly, plantation to reduce the soil erosion, restrict use of plastics and throw in water bodies, and increase awareness on pollution. Without water, we cannot imagine life on Earth's surface. We all know about the importance of water and also know how does it polluted over time to time by human activities. So we all together have to take the initiative to save water and save the environment before the time's over. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and support my channel.